Welcome back to the back 40. It's Mama Juju. I just came on to do just a quick little Etsy share with you and a coffee share. I have this from Tip-In and it is TIPPED-IN or Tip-In and yep, it's Etsy.com shop TIPPEDIN. And this is, make sure, yeah, you can see it. It is a bookbinding tool. I haven't used it yet, but I was going to try it. It has, and I got the 1/4 inch holes to separate. Let me see, there. That way I could use it here, or if I wanted to skip to go differently, I know it's all divided by 1/4 of an inch. So I've got this one, and I'll be trying it in the future. Then from Kim's Coffee Shop, I picked out a few items, and she sent me a happy. This is so cute. They're so cute. Look at them. They are so cute. And it has this is the ribbon on back, and it has the doily. Let's take one out. I've got purple ink on my fingers from testing a stamp made out of glue, but hot glue. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. It's got the tool, the doily, the flower, and then in is holding by the ribbon there, the brad. That is so cute, and I got the pink because you know I'm a pink girl, so we got the pink and white ones, and they are so pretty. And it's 6 to a pack. So, and I got 2 of them. And then she had some yarn, so I got it. It's so pretty. It's the eyelash yarn too. Look at those colors. Look at that purple color. So I want to do a purple journal. That's so pretty. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? Such vibrant colors. I've already used some of this on a page that I was working on. Let me see if I can find it right quick and I'll show you. I did a number page this morning. Here we go. I did a number page. And then on the inside page, I just went on and put some of that yarn on there. And it's look cute with that little fabric cluster. Oh, yummy. Okay. Then also got some hummingbird napkins that she had in her shop. These are so pretty. I've done cards and pockets with them. Mod Podged them on there. So I got 2 of the little cocktail that has the hummingbirds all over them. And then I got the dinner one that has it around the edge with the white center. And they're nice. And I think they're 2 or 3 ply. They're easy to use and pull apart. Then as a happy, that's all I got here. Then as a happy, she sent me a little set here. These are also for sale in her shop. And they're absolutely gorgeous. This is a paper clip. This is a tag. And this is a tag for journaling. You can use the back for journaling. But it has the quilt, and she did a video on it too, and I'll try to put that down in the description down below, where she was showing this in the quilt, making these, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They look better in person than they do on the video, so they are absolutely gorgeous. Just love it. This is going in my journal. It's absolute gorgeous. Okay. That is all of those shares. I did find something tonight that I want to try. I had to go get some baskets from the Dollar Tree. And while I was there, I found this. It's called a nail stamp. They didn't have any stamps with it, but they just had this little tool sitting up there. And I thought, oh, I'm going to get that because, you know, I might could use it as a dauber or something. When I brought it home and opened it up, the inside, this feels like a jelly plate. And on the back, it says to, you know, put clear coat on your nails, then get the nail stamp sheet, put the fingernail polish on it. It comes with a, I just had it. No, I just had that. It comes with a, oh, here it is. It comes with one of this little plastic tool, too, that you spread out. And this would be good for spreading glue. Feels just like a credit card, but it's just a little hard acetate plastic stuff. And you just spread it out, and then you take this and put down on the nail stamp, and then stamp it on your thumb. But it feels just like a jelly plate. Now, on it, it does not have any ingredients, what it is, or anything like that. So, I'm going to play around with this because I promise you, I believe that's a jelly plate. But it's at the Dollar Tree. So, that was $1.25 for the whole little set. I thought that was pretty cool. And then, one other thing that I've been doing that I want to show you on this year, too, is this. I have arthritis that bothers here and one of my fingers. I think it's from doing all that writing and stuff in my career. But anyway, I saw this on one of the ladies' videos in the group, and I thought, oh, you know, I could try that. So I got a medicine bottle, and on the top, can you see that? On the top of it, I glued down the white little Velcro dots from the Dollar Tree, and I put my little Tim Holtz thing on top. And then on the bottom, I just put down the Velcro dots on the bottom and put another one there. So I have 2 daubers. And then, of course, you know, I blinged it up. On the here, I just put some beads down, and then I put lace down over top of it, and the crochet doilies across the top here, and then I blinged it with a little bit of rhinestone. But in the middle is where I hold it. This is 4.5 inches long. The diameter across here is 1.5. The circle makes a 2 1/16, I think. And it's a size 10 medicine bottle. I just told them I need the medium medicine bottle, and this is what the pharmacy gave me. But it works really well. I used it this morning to ink that paper with that you saw, and I can use it. I have good control, good release on the ink. This doesn't try to come off, and I'm not gripping. You know, my little thing, I have to grip like this and do, and sometimes it hurts my hand right here. So this works great. So far, so good. And then I can flip it over real easy. It works really good. That's it. It was a short video. I told y'all I was going to get to do one of these. 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Yay, MommaJuju. Okay, y'all have a good night, and I'll see you again later on the back 40. Bye.